Nesally Cooling Ace is marketed as a portable air conditioner that supposedly cools rooms quickly, cuts electricity costs, and delivers powerful cooling from a compact device. But the real question is it real cooling or just marketing hype? What many people do not realize is that many Cooling Ace products sold under different brand names often turn out to be nearly identical devices with different logos attached. Investigations into similar Cooling Ace products repeatedly found exaggerated claims and misleading advertising. What it does well: portable and lightweight. Small cooling devices are easy to move between bedrooms, desks, and workspaces. Uses less electricity than traditional AC units. Small fans and evaporative coolers naturally use less energy. Where the hype falls apart, it is likely not a true air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Similar Cooling Ace products repeatedly turn out to be basic evaporative coolers or water mist fans, rather than actual compressor-based air conditioners. Room cooling claims look unrealistic. Claims like cooling an entire room in seconds simply do not align with how real air conditioning works. The same device often appears under multiple brand names. Investigations found many Cooling Ace products being sold under different names with nearly identical marketing. So, real cooling or just marketing hype? Short answer: probably some real cooling, but much less than the ad suggests. You may get personal airflow and a small cooling sensation near the device, but expecting it to perform like a real room air conditioner is likely unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.